Forging Ahead Together, a Journey in Unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase, forge ahead together. This phrase is not only about moving forward but doing so with a sense of unity and collaboration. It's a powerful expression that can motivate and bring people closer, making it perfect for both personal and professional growth. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and significance to better understand how we can apply it in our daily lives. To truly grasp the phrase, forge ahead together, we first need to break it down. Let's start with forge ahead. To forge is to make or shape an object by heating it in a fire or furnace and then beating or hammering it. However, when used metaphorically, as it is here, to forge ahead means to move forward with a strong, steady pace. It's about progress and advancement, often despite difficulties or challenges. This part of the phrase emphasizes determination, resilience, and the continuous effort to improve or advance. Now, let's focus on the word together. On its own, it might seem simple, but when combined with forge ahead, it takes on a deeper meaning. Together signifies unity, collaboration, and mutual support. It's about being part of a team, family, or community and sharing a common goal or purpose. When we forge ahead together, we're not just moving forward individually. We're doing it as a collective, leveraging our combined strengths, knowledge, and efforts to overcome obstacles and reach our goals. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but applying it is where its true value lies. Forge ahead together can be used in various contexts, from overcoming personal challenges with the support of friends and family, to working towards professional goals in a team setting. It reminds us that collaboration and unity often lead to greater success than individual efforts. In conversations, speeches, or writing, using this phrase can inspire teamwork, foster a positive environment, and emphasize the importance of joint efforts in achieving success. We hope this exploration of the phrase, forge ahead together, has inspired you to think about how you can apply its principles in your own life. Remember, moving forward with determination is important, but doing so with the support and collaboration of others can make the journey even more rewarding. Whether in personal growth or while working towards collective goals, remember that strength often comes from unity. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep forging ahead together, and see where the journey takes you.